This movie is made for you if you are looking for the newest based iPhone lineup. Also for the people who are considering switching to iPhone from other Android devices. I've been using Android devices since 2015. This is my first experience switching to iPhone after 7 years. In this video you will see the unboxing, detailed and close look in different lights, installation of a screen protector and case, setup or switching from Android to iOS. Welcome to Timelessness. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Let's start with opening the delivery box and getting rid of the plastic protectors. Here we have the AirPods Pro 2nd generation, PanzerGlass case and screen protector, and for sure the iPhone 14. Don't forget to subscribe as I'll unbox and review the AirPods Pro in upcoming videos. Later in this video you will see how to install a screen protector. The box is thin and on the left and right side of it iPhone is written. The Apple logo can be seen on the bottom and top of the box. At the back of the device you will be informed why the box is so thin, as it is written only iPhone 14 and USB-C to Lightning cable are included, and unfortunately power adapter and headphones are sold separately. Now let's unbox the iPhone by removing these straps. I like this unboxing method as it is very creative, practical and effortless. Here is the iPhone 14. This is the iPhone 14 in black or midnight color and with 128GB capacity. On its front side there is a paper screen protector with some icons showing you the lock button on the right side, and volume buttons as well as mute button can be seen on the left side of the phone. Let's see its display by removing the paper protector. In this tiny box you find the SIM tray, quick guides in some languages, guarantee cards, and Apple logo sticker. Below that there is a USB-C to Lightning cable. I wish that Apple would also use USB-C for iPhones just like its iPads and MacBook products. Now it's time to take a detailed look at iPhone 14 in different lights and share my impression with you. After working with the Pixel 6 for about a year, as I hold the iPhone 14 in my hands, it felt very compact and comfortable. I can assume that even the iPhone 14 Plus wouldn't be a big phone and would be the same size as the normal Pixel 7. The phone has heft in hand and it feels rigid and very well built. Black or midnight is my favorite color among available iPhone 14 colors. It has a shiny black color at the back with a silver Apple logo, which is like a tiny mirror. What attracted me the most were the big camera lenses. The camera array is located in a square-shaped area with having matte black color. The frame of the device has a matte black color, and on its left side the ring, silent, and volume up-down buttons can be seen. Below that the SIM card slot is located. From this angle you can see how beautiful this matte black color on the frame of the phone is. The power button is placed on the right side of the phone, which is much bigger than some other phones like Samsung or Pixel, and you can easily access and press it. At the bottom of the phone, the built-in microphones and a stereo speaker next to the Lightning connector can be seen. From the top of the device you can also see the thickness of the camera lenses and also the difference between the colors used on the frame and back of the device. iPhone 14 has a beautiful 6.1 inches display, and on top of it there is a notch packing different sensors including an infrared camera, proximity sensor, ambient light sensor, front camera, a speaker and microphone. Let's protect our phones since nowadays these smartphones have become very expensive, and I assume in the end most of us try our best to protect them from any possible damage. I can assure you if I can install this screen protector, surely you can too, since I'm very bad at doing it and such a beginner. So let's read the instructions first and start. In this package there is a case and the required contents to install the screen protector. I took all the contents out of the small packet first. And based on the instructions, I started cleaning the display of the phone with a wet wipe. Then with a microfiber cloth, I rubbed the surface till it became dry and free from dirt and fingerprints. Then I removed the stiff backplate labeled black from the PanzerGlass. I tried carefully positioning it on the device and making sure the cutouts are aligned with the features of the device. Then, based on the instructions, I slide a finger on the protector to draw a U shape and it will attach to the device. I removed the film labeled front and used the microfiber cloth on the front to remove any air bubbles by pressing the bubbles toward the edge. And in case of remaining air bubbles, carefully lift the glass near the position of the bubbles without touching the adhesive side. The last step is set up the device. For Android users who want to switch to iPhone, it becomes much easier with this method I show you. After turning on the device, choose your language and country, connect to your Wi-Fi connection, set up Face ID, create a password, then choose Move Data from Android on your iPhone. And you just need to download the app Move to iOS on your Android device. After agreeing to the terms and conditions and giving some permissions, tap Continue on your iPhone and fill it in on your Android device. Choose what to be transferred and then drink a coffee. When the transfer is finished, set up your Apple ID or make a new one and set up Siri, and that's it. You can now use your iPhone with all your previous data inside. Since I've been using Android devices since 2015, I was worried switching to iPhone could be difficult for me. I will let you know about my experience with it in upcoming videos. Thank you for watching my video and see you soon.